Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be doing one room, one declutter to get things done. We're going to knock out a whole. So I'm starting on my whole house declutter challenge. I am mixing all of the different methods that everybody is doing, taking the ones that I know work for me and hopefully work for you too. That I'm excited to start with you to make more space and be more mindful of my environment, as well as like just the mood and all the things, right? So you guys have heard me talk about the poop method, right? If you haven't seen that video, I'll tag it over here, where if there was poop on it, would you keep it? I don't think so, right? Well, maybe, who knows, right? If it's something that's important to you that you would clean the poop off, that's something that you would keep, right? And if it's something that you would just throw away because it had poop on it, you can go ahead and get rid of it. So I'm taking that method and that Swedish death cleaning, kind of mixing that up in there as well. But instead of doing like one thing one day, whatever, I'm just going to tackle out what I can get in each room and use the poop method to help me get through the decluttering. And I'm setting timers. I'm doing one room each day, an hour, maybe two, just depending on what levels are. Okay, so first things first. I have my donation box here. And okay, ADHD thing again. Yay, I wasn't filming. Okay, so I'm pulling out things that do not belong in this drawer and getting them out into my bucket of these don't belong here. I have my trash bag. I have a donation box. So, trash bag here. So I think I'm just going to go for grab the trash first. This can stay here. I put papers that don't belong here. This also, okay. Trash. I don't think that's trash. Oh, I think that's the gift card we were looking for. That doesn't belong in here. I don't. We have broken pencils. Goodbye.
She wakes up, feels like a race. Thoughts are running, takes up space. Plans to conquer every day, but her mind just loves to stray. Pens and papers scattered around, ideas keep her tightly wound. Focus wavers like a flame, still she dreams to make her name. Gotta keep on moving.
Got that drawer done. Have my little box. Moving on. We are moving on. 100% moving on. I'm going to go through these. Okay, on to the next section. And for all of you that were watching the Mandela effect about Stitch never wearing a bra, this is true. This is an old Disney toy that I have with its serial number, with the bra on the head. So, not that that's something we're doing right now. 30-day challenge. I have my coffee. All right. Calculator. Let's not go there.
Gotta keep on moving high, even though she can't see why. Falling off the track is tough, but her dreams are strong enough. Some days feel like foggy skies, but she won't believe the
Now I'm going to do
lies.
below the Hermie cage.
Heart keeps
Because
pounding
this seems
in
to be
her
a
chest.
second Hermie cage
Never
stuff
gonna give it
drops out.
less.
So,
Gotta keep on moving high, even though she can't see why. Falling off the track is tough, but her dreams are strong enough. that never sees me. I take flight and feel so free. Dreams they laugh at seem so crazy, but this fire won't let them face me. Got a heart that beats like thunder, breaking walls that pull me under. With each step I am much stronger. Hold on tight, it won't be longer. To the stars I'm reaching higher, burning bright with pure desire. When they said I'd fall and stumble,
So we have
I just laughed
this area
and blew their
is done.
bubble.
This area
With a
is done.
spark,
We have stuff that does not belong.
turn their doubt,
Box of donations.
rise up,
Yes. We got that one done. Now off to ba-da-da-da, the desk I don't use.
to hear it. Through the storms and windy weather, we'll take flight, we'll soar together. Sky's the limit once you find it. Let those dreams fuel up the pilot. To the stars I'm reaching higher, burning bright with pure desire. When they said I'd fall and stumble, I just laughed and blew their bubble. To the stars I'm reaching higher, burning bright with pure desire. When they said I'd fall and stumble, I just laughed and blew their bubble. She's got 1,000 thoughts racing in her head, dreams so big they shake her bed. Running fast, losing track of time, got a heart that chimes like a bell on high. Days go by in a whizzing whirl, fingers tapping, she's a busy girl, chasing stars but losing sight. Every day is a new fight, but she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every step she takes rewrites her fate, twisting paths never too late. Breathing dreams in chaotic air, finding calm in the middle of the scare. Tangled thoughts, she pulls them free, crafting castles where none should be, painting skies with shaking hands, making magic no one understands. But she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every step's into her
running.